Hey guys, welcome to Pure Bhubaneswari, and today we are gonna make chicken biryani. Add some dhania powder to your container, having the chickens. Then add chicken masala. Add chili powder as well to make it a bit hot. Then you can add dhania leaves and mint leaves. After adding dhania leaves and mint leaves, add biryani masala for a spicy taste. Add some salt. Make sure you're ready with your garlic and ginger paste so you can add it to the container as well. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Oh yeah, mix them, okay? Add dahi, or you can call it yogurt. Add it, bro. Then add some fried onions. Now mix it up again. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. Oh yeah, mix them. Add chicken masala again and garam masala as well, cause make sure it is a bit hot and spicy. And yeah, add pepper, bro. Marinate it for 2 hours. The water amount should be large, dipped in the rice. Keep it for 5 minutes. Take milk, add some kesar to it. Keep it for 2 hours for a better taste. You gonna add it to your dum, okay? I repeat, you gonna add it to your dum. On your bloody gas stove, take a pan, add some oil, let it hit, let it hit, let it hit. Take a pan, add oil, then let it heat, let it heat, let it heat. Oh yeah, it's now okay, after 2 minutes it's already hit. Add tej patta to it, add jaffron to it, then add anasia to it, then add elaichi to it, and all those fruits, let it heat. So here's a picture of the fruit I did add to it. Stir it well, add onions, then let it heat, let it heat, let it heat. Okay, I'm going crazy a bit. Okay, so yeah, add salt for a taste. Add garlic paste to it. Add it more, add it more, add it more. Oh yeah, add it more. Come on, man. Stir it, stir it, stir it. See the color, guys, colors of the onions and the mixture is in it. It's really, really, really beautiful. Add the marinated chickens you kept for 2 hours. What are you waiting for, guys? Stir it well. Come on, add some chili powder and stir it more. Add more chicken masala to it. Then wait for few seconds. Let it heat. then garam masala as well to make it bit spicy, biryani powder as well. Add few tomatoes, chili powder too. Guys, here I'm adding up more chicken masala because the amount I added before was really less. So yeah, I'm adding it again, and garam masala as well, and few tomatoes as well. Okay, so you don't have to panic or bother about why I'm adding it again. Sorry for that. Cover it up, guys, and keep it like that for at least 10 minutes. Let's get back to the rice part. Take a big container, real big container, add water, let it boil. Okay, add tej patta, then add jafflon, then elaichi and some fruits. I'll show you its picture so that you don't get messed up with this stuff. Okay, and okay, let it boil. Okay, after covering up the lid, there's a few steps. Add desi ghee to it, then cover up the lid. Guys, let it boil for just 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add this rice to the container. Okay, now that you have added the rice, just stir it, and yeah, your rice is ready. Remove all the water from the rice. This, I guess this is really common. Take another container. Okay, take another container, add oil to it, let it heat. Add desi ghee as well. The picture I promised you to show, here it is. Add them all to your container. One is jafflon, one is elaichi. Add tej leaf, jafflon. Hang on, stir it a bit, okay? Just stir it. Whoa bro, the beautiful flame. Take a tawa, keep it on a beautiful flame. Container over the top of the tawa. Let it heat. Let's get our rice which we have kept. Okay, see this beautiful rice. Add it on the container. Come on, add it. These beautiful marinated chickens, add it on the top of your rice. I'll get you another picture of the marinated chickens. Guys, do you remember about the milk cum kesar? We have kept it for a long hour. Add it to the container on the top of your marinated chickens and fried onions. Okay, add biryani masala to it, the container I mean. Add dhania leaf as well. We are a bit step closer towards making your dum biryani, so guys, be awaited. Add your rice on top of the marinated chickens. Again, all we gonna do is chicken over the top of the rice. Your dum is partially ready. Just let it be for like 15 minutes. Then boom, you can serve your biryani with dahi or raita. Subscribe to Pure Bhuvneshwari, guys. Like, share, and please comment. Love you.